Hawaiian mac salad is delicious. It's an iconic side dish for plate lunches and Hawaiian barbecue. There are many varieties for this side dish, but today we'll be making one of my favorites. Not only is it a great side dish, but it's super easy to make, and we can make a ton of this for only $5. If you're craving some Hawaiian barbecue but don't want to spend the money, then be sure to give this a try and like if you enjoy. Let's get cooking. We'll first boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Some other pasta varieties can be used, but macaroni is the classic. Boil this for about 30 minutes. Yes, don't worry if it's overcooked. For this recipe, we're intentionally overcooking our macaroni. We'll then drain and rinse in cold water, and allow to drain for another 30 minutes. While we wait, let's julienne cut 1 to 2 carrots. And then add 2.5 cups of mayo. Prices for groceries are through the roof, so I'm using only name brand options today. Once the macaroni has cooled down, we can add it to the mayo and carrots. Add about half a teaspoon of salt and mix. Add some additional mayo as needed. And then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it again and make sure all the macaroni is covered. And boom, we have a delicious mac salad. This is super simple, but a classic side dish. Serve it with some other Hawaiian barbecue dishes for best results. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.